and our daughters Esther and Allison, and we have been solar for 3 years with Helio GreenTech. And we have been very, very interested in it for a long time. My husband has a science degree and has always been eco-minded, so the opportunity presented itself and we took it, and we have been extremely satisfied with our whole experience.
Well, I just felt confidence in solar because it gave us basically peace that we would have a reliable way of producing electricity. And that just gave me peace of mind.
With these hot summer days, we are able to run our air conditioner guilt-free. So if you're considering Helio for that, it's worth it. And it gives us peace of mind that we are going to be comfortable no matter the circumstances.
A sunny day like today, your AC is virtually running for free. The team at Helio did a remarkable job at helping me, through all this. So you're basically in control of your own energy. And I think that's what makes this truly remarkable. I really don't have to look at my energy bill anymore, which is kind of nice. And unless you have a team like Helio to back you up and the representatives that they have here, I think, they can guide you through an excellent journey through understanding how solar can help you. I believe, choosing this, it's very, very, very reliable. It will, you're not going to be disappointed by the results. So I feel, having it 3 years, through all the seasons, I feel like it's very, very trustworthy. Basically, our average bill during the summer months was well over $150 a month. And then now it's maybe $15. You can optimize the system where basically you won't owe anything at the end of the month. So it's very, very customer friendly. Like, my parents come over to watch the kids, and I say, run the AC. I don't feel guilty at all. Just run it. And I think that's something special, just to be able to run it and not feel guilty. So virtually, solar negated my electric bill, which was very, very nice. It took me a long time to go solar, but I think it took a trustworthy company to finally convince me that this was the perfect way to go. And I appreciate Helio for doing that.